Ever feel like your car gets dusty again just days after you clean it? Crumbs in the seats, dirt trapped in tight corners, and hard-to-reach spaces can make even a well-kept vehicle look messy. The problem is that bulky vacuums aren't always convenient, and cleaning by hand takes more time than most people have. When dust and debris keep building up, your car, and even small spaces around your home, can quickly feel less comfortable and less enjoyable to use. That's where the CENRR multifunctional vehicle vacuum cleaner comes in. This cordless handheld vacuum is designed for everyday cleaning, giving you the freedom to vacuum and blow away dust without dealing with power cords. Its compact folding design makes it easy to store in your car, while the lightweight ABS construction helps you clean without extra strain. Powered by an upgraded brushless motor, the Max version delivers up to 998,000 PA of vacuum power with a rated speed of 55,000 revolutions per minute, while the Pro version offers up to 950,000 PA and 35,500 revolutions per minute. Both use a 3x2000 mAh lithium battery, recharge with a convenient USB Type-C cable, and operate at a noise level of 32 dB or less. They're built to perform in temperatures ranging from -20°C to 50°C and are certified with CE, FCC, and RoHS standards. Whether you're cleaning car seats after a road trip, removing dust from dashboard vents, or tackling small messes around the house, the included 9 accessories help you handle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease. If you're looking for a portable cleaning tool that's easy to carry, simple to recharge, and built for both car and home use, this one is worth checking out. You'll find the product link in the description below, so take a look before it's gone or unavailable.